We're living in the era of Internet of Things. A typical IoT device is your mobile phone. IoT devices are smart because they have brains to think and do things right. Arduino is one of the most common used open source hardware. Arduino boards are easy to use, flexible, low cost, and supported by various libraries. All of this make it a preferred brand for IoT device prototyping. When things are ready, we need a bridge to provide connectivity between things and people. Tuya Smart is a leading global IoT cloud platform. It provides a one-stop IoT PaaS-level solution and builds the interconnectivity. Tuya has launched the official Arduino library, which is compatible with any Arduino boards. With one Arduino board and one Tuya's network module, you can prototype a cloud-connected IoT product. Okay, let's try it now. Arduino board communicates with Tuya's module through the serial port. Tuya's module sends device data to the cloud and receives commands from the cloud. Tuya Smart app can pair with the device and connect it to the Tuya IoT Cloud. The Tuya Arduino library has included Tuya's serial protocol, so integrating your Arduino with Tuya will be a no-brainer. Here are the materials prepared for our project: an Arduino board, a Tuya Wi-Fi board, a computer installed with Arduino IDE, your account for Tuya IoT platform, a mobile phone installed with Tuya Smart app. Open Arduino IDE, click the Sketch menu and then include Library, Manage Library. Find Tuya Wi-Fi MCU SDK and install. Next, create a product on the Tuya IoT platform and write a few lines of code. Then our cloud-connected prototype is done. We put the tutorial links in the video description below. Please check it out. Join the Tuya community and make Arduino compatible project. We are looking forward to your creative ideas.